Hi everyone, it was good to see several of you on Zoom today. Everyone else, I hope you're doing well on your projects. In the Zoom, we mostly just talked about how your review is, it's multi-purpose. It's there especially to help you gather research and information so that you can write a successful cover letter that speaks to your specific organization. And it also helps you write in a different genre and to move beyond essay mode, so to speak. Both of these projects ask you to move beyond a traditional essay. So you make sure you use the template. That'll help you out a little bit with that. After that, this coming week, what we're going to do is focus on the concept of patterns of error. And I have a video that explains what that is. And essentially, this is going to help you go into editing mode and be on the lookout to make sure that everything, especially in your cover letter, is polished. Because I have seen things like CVs, resumes, and cover letters be thrown out just for not looking polished. Maybe there were too many errors that just stuck out on those pieces. So I want you to, sorry, I have a lawnmower going. I want you to be really, I want you to have the time this coming week to focus specifically on those editing skills. So I ask that you make sure you read your feedback from project one, because for several of you, I identified patterns of error that I saw. Now, you may also identify some of your own tendencies as you work your way through the week. So spend this coming week editing carefully and learning editing skills. Turn in your projects by the end of the week, and as always, I will give you feedback. After that, we move into project 3, which is our final big project for the semester besides the final portfolio that we're doing. So we'll do project 3, which is an argumentative piece. Then you'll write a letter for your final portfolio, as well as revise all 3 pieces based on my feedback. So I can't believe we're already at the midterm point. It's crazy. I hope you're surviving midterms. Make sure you check out your progress reports from me on Pipeline, just to make sure you're following along as you're supposed to. Most people are doing a great job. Just make sure you're paying attention to deadlines. Make sure you're staying on the correct week. Make sure you're responding to peers. If on a discussion board I say you need to respond to multiple or respond to some classmates, make sure you're actually doing that so you can get full right to learn credit for that. And beyond that, just continue having good communication with me. I ask that you sign into D2L multiple times a week. And I also ask that you check frequently your D2L email and your MTSU email so that if I'm trying to contact you about something, that you actually receive that communication, since that's our main form of talking to each other. So have a good weekend. It is my youngest's birthday this weekend, so I'll have to share another cake picture with you. Wish me luck. It's a mermaid cake this time. So yeah, have a good weekend. And as always, reach out if you have any questions for me. I'm here to help you through any of your projects that you're working on. And don't forget about the Writing Center being there for you as well. All right, take care.